Well, good morning, world. Bass Monkey back. Hope everybody's doing well. Headed out to the river. I got the boat all loaded up. Hopefully I can trick a few. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. There's one. That's a good one. There we go. Oh, come off. There we go. There we go. That's a good one. There's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Come here, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alrighty guys, this is a pretty good one. Solid fish right there. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Come on, baby. Come out of there. There we go. There we go. That was a salad bass right there. That sucker's been eating his greens. Nice healthy fish right there. Thanks for the fight, buddy. There's one. There's one. Good little fighter. Come on, baby. Come on in here. I'm just walking that dog. Come on in here. Just walking that dog. That's a good fighter right there. I appreciate you. There's one. There's a pretty good one. Thanks for the fight, buddy. There's one. There's one. Oh, yeah. Thanks for the fight, bud. Fish. There we go. Swim jig. That jig was just sitting in there. It's a pretty good one. Nice chunky fish right there. Thanks for the fight, bud. There we go, swim jig. Again, I was getting a backlash out actually. They're liking the swim jig right now. Nice little fighter. Bluegill eater right there. Thanks for the fight, little buddy. There's one. There's one. Thanks for the fight, buddy. There you go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Caught them several different ways today. Frogging, swim jig, first punch fish of the year. Surprised myself on that one even. But the bait that they were keying in on was that walking bait. Seemed like the better fish, they wanted that bait. You know, they wanted to come up, inspect it, and they didn't want it too fast. I mean, I tried burning it. They just wanted it, you know, just walking the dog. So that's basically what I did. Other than that, I had a fun day out there. The river will be going to bed here pretty soon. Probably in the next, I'd say month and a half, 2 months, the river will be done. Till the end of February next year. So I'll try to get out there as much as I can in the next month and a half before we head up to the lakes. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. If you made it this far, hit the sub. We're growing the channel. Good things are happening. And until next time, hope you guys enjoyed Bass Monkey. I'm out. Just walking the dog. Oh, I need you to grow up.